The Nokia 6 2018 edition, also known as the Nokia 6.1, comes in Nepal with only a couple of changes over its predecessor. We have the new device here with us today, so let's quickly see what's in store. First, let me start with the unboxing. So this is the box for Nokia 6.1. Let's take the phone out. Here's the phone, and as you can see, it looks really good. Putting it aside, let's see what else we've got. So here's a SIM ejector, and there is a warranty card and a user manual. Moving on, there is a wall adapter which supports fast charging, a Type-C cable, and an earphone. The phone is an attractive all-metal build phone. It's an aluminum design combined with chambered edges, and there is a lining of bronze which highlights the structure of the phone. Also, the metallic back feels really good and solid in hand. The Nokia 6.1 features a 5.5-inch IPS LCD display. However, it's a shame that Nokia has not followed the trend of 18:9 display and has gone with an outdated 16:9 aspect ratio. The 1080 pixel display nevertheless looks very sharp and bright. The phone has a 3.5mm headphone jack at the top, a speaker, a noise cancellation sensor, and a USB-C port for charging at the bottom. Similarly, the volume rocker and power button are placed at the right, and dedicated SIM card slot and micro SD card on the left. On the back, it houses a 16-megapixel single camera along with fingerprint sensor, which is a little too low down the phone. This is not bad, but my finger naturally rests near the LED flash instead. I clicked some photos with the phone, and I quickly noticed that it takes too long to take pictures and has a noticeable shutter lag. I took some pictures in the daylight, and it has good detailing and vivid colors. I will put the camera to test and will tell you my camera experience on my full review. So hit the bell icon so you get notified when we upload its video. The 6.1 runs on Android 8 Oreo, and since it's an Android One device, I expect the phone to get regular security patches. The major upgrade from the last year's Nokia 6 is the performance. The Nokia 6.1 has a powerful Snapdragon 630 chipset. Coupled with that stock Android, you should expect fluid performance. This device offers two variants, a 3GB RAM with 32GB internal storage and a 4GB RAM with 64GB internal storage. Both the versions support a micro SD which is expandable up to 256GB. Moving on to the battery, the 3000 mAh capacity should provide a full day of use. It also supports fast charging, which is a rare feature on a mid-range smartphone. So that was our Nokia 6.1 hands-on review. Tell us what you think about the phone in comment section below, and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more updates. This is Kipa Shakya signing off.